Ian, first ride on the bike.
Yeah, just doing nut and bolt. Let's go, it's wet out there. Knobblies. See, oh my god, amazing.
Hey.
If I put some petrol in, shall I retest it? Shall I fill it up?
Just put 5 or 6 litres in. Don't
Right.
fill it up.
Right, okay. One down, 3 up. These knobblies, man. Oh my god, it's like riding on the scaffold pole.
Well, Ian, what was it like?
It feels like it's got so much
Hang
more.
on, take your hat off.
It feels like it's got so much more grunt than I could ever imagine. You know, it's it wants to go.
Good boy.
Definitely wants to go. Yeah, I was stuck behind the car, behind the lanes, but the main head thing is brakes on the left. And it just brakes on the left. You were like, you know, you're instantly going for the gears, and then you crunch in the gears and it's shit, you're on the left because there's no front brake. Yeah, but great. Yeah. There you go, Gene. Bedstead's running.